How to fix easy anti-cheat is not installed on Fortnite. Now, what we need to do is we just have to rename the easy anti-cheat setup program or the setup file on your Fortnite main folder. For you to be able to do that, we'll have to go to directly to the main folder from your Fortnite. To do so, just pull up your file manager. You can also do this using your Epic Games library. Now let's just do this manually so you'll have a walkthrough on how we can fix this issue. So go back to your file manager or file explorer, then click on this PC, go to your local disk C drive, program files 86, and from here you'll have to look for Fortnite game. Now click on that and go to binaries, then Win64 and go to Easy Anti-Cheat. Now from here, since I don't have Easy Anti-Cheat installed on my laptop yet, if you have an Easy Anti-Cheat setup file, right click on that and then go to Properties. Now from Properties, you'll just have to go ahead and change the target name. Now you don't need to change the whole name, you'll just need to add a text on the very end of the current name from target. Now all you have to do is add space repair and then go ahead and click on apply and then OK. Now just go ahead and pull up again the easy anti-cheat setup file and it will automatically install by itself and it will also repair by itself. So that's how easy you can fix easy anti-cheat is not installed on Fortnite.